Hello wonderful people, welcome to Chef Gabby GA channel. Today we are going to learn how to make cake without baking. Are you surprised? Don't be surprised. This is steam cake. It's very popular in most of the Asian countries, especially in the Philippines. I know you are going to enjoy this recipe. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! Dear friend, let's go through the ingredients for our steam cake. We have 1 cup all-purpose flour, half cup white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon. This is half teaspoon, so the first one was 1 teaspoon. I will sift all the dry ingredients. Sifting it make it more lighter for it to mix very well with the butter and the egg or the wet ingredients. Now I'll mix the dry ingredients together, make a well in the center, and then add our wet ingredient. I have 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 whole egg, for the sugar, if you don't want your cake to be very sweet, you can use 1/4 or any less amount you think is okay for you. So we don't have to mix too much. As soon as you feel the sugar is completely dissolved, you have to stop whisking so that you will not activate the gluten in the flour for your cake to be chewy. And this is milk cupcake. Wow, I love it. It's okay now. The cake mixture is ready, so my steamer can take 3 cups at a go. So I'll first put 3 cake cups inside the foil cups and then put my mixture inside. And you have to fill it only halfway of the cake cup. You don't have to make it full so that it will not overflow. I think enough. All right. Beautiful. Looks very nice. All right. I have my steamer on medium high, so I'll wait for it to start boiling. When it starts boiling, I'll put the cupcakes and cover it to trap all the heat to steam our cake. So let's wait a few minutes for it to start boiling. Dear friend, the water is boiling vigorously now, and make sure the water shouldn't touch the strainer or anything you will use for the steaming. So now I will put the cakes and cover it for steaming, and this will be ready between 12 and 15 minutes. So I just make some foil here to cover the hole so that we can trap all the heat to steam our cupcake. So let's wait. I will check with the toothpick. If it comes out clean, then our cake is ready, and it's exactly 30 minutes now. All right, you can see it's very clean now, meaning our cake is ready. Already I have 9 sets here, so I will remove this first batch and then continue with another set of 3. Nice one. So let me cover and check this one. Okay, just wait for it to cool down for about 5 minutes before we open, because now you can see it's very nice, but it's too much hot. Let's wait for 5 minutes. Dear friend, let's check the cake. Ooh, beautiful. Yeah, let's see if it will bounce back. Mashallah, beautiful. Friend, our steamed milk cake is ready. Look how it's cooked inside out. How it's bouncing back when I place it. This shows it's well cooked. I just tasted one and it was very nice. Please, this is very simple. You don't need any equipment or any techniques. Just follow the simple recipe and I know you are going to enjoy it. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.